What is up, YouTube? This is Owen Dowell, and well, this is our first snowstorm of the year, and this is a historic snowstorm. It's one of the biggest snows we've had since like 1960 something. Let me wipe up the lens real quick. Should have done that earlier because it was looking a little hazy. But check this out. I am just here on our covered deck, as you can see. And this is already like as deep as it was when I did my snow video last year. So, yeah. Okay. Let's see. I have to figure out. Let's actually measure how deep this is. Let's flip this around. My grandma gave me this yardstick because she's curious about how deep it is. On this step, it comes out to like 9.5 inches. That is absolutely insane. Okay, I don't want to die. Oh gosh, whoa. Okay. Guys, this is madness. Okay, wait. Measure here. This is on a sidewalk. What does that say? It's right at 12 inches, right at a foot. This might be the first foot of snow I've ever, that like they predicted, that's actually come true. My phone is getting wet. Oh dear. Let me see if I can't. Well, we'll just have to hope and pray nothing bad happens. I don't want this to be a long video, but this snow is so bad that we actually have a what's his name? Jim Cantori is here from the Weather Channel. Oh my gosh, look at my car. What? Oh no. Yo, my car. I haven't been over here yet. I mean, obviously these are the first footprints. Oh my gosh. That is wild. Ooh, there ain't. Oh, geez. I can barely walk. Oh my gosh. I've never ever seen my car like that. It just looks like a mound. Wow. Anyway, it is 11:30, December the 9th, 2018. Put my watch on specifically to give you guys a date and time for this video when I'm recording it. So, wow. It's ridiculous out here, guys. Really pretty, though. I'm a little worried about, I'm a little worried about how wet my phone is right now. So I'm probably going to cut this short. Let's run up here real quick. I have to take a picture of my car. That's so funny. I'm getting snow in my shoes, which I knew would happen. Oh my gosh. I want to upload this video today too, so I'm going to try and keep it as short as possible. Wow. It is Sunday. This is the first time, I think since I can remember, that my church has canceled all 3 of its church services. I don't think I've ever been alive when they've done that. Normally they try to have at least the late service, but today they canceled all of them. Shut down. It's kind of crazy. Wow. All right, you guys. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to cut this here. I do want to I might make more videos about this particular snow. It's called Diego. It's actually a snowstorm. So it has a name. And they decided to name it Diego. Yeah. It's pretty big. It's actually causing tornadoes in Florida. to give you an idea about how big this thing is. But yeah, that's gonna do it, guys. I'm gonna try and stop this video if I can. So thank you so much for watching. I don't think my lens is actually, well, my lens is fogging. Dadgummit. Well, maybe not, I don't know. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and adios.